Welcome back guys, today we're bringing you 16 smart Amazon gadgets that are guaranteed to make life better. Because smart finds don't have to break the bank, from practical everyday tools to clever home upgrades. These gadgets are all about adding ease, efficiency and a little joy to your routine. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below so you can grab your favorites. Enhance your workspace with this innovative. The Night Watchman listening device is a game changer for detectives worldwide. This gadget lets you pick up all voices and sounds from up to 91 m away. Its noise reduction system ensures crystal clear sound, and it even has recording capabilities made from durable matte TPR material. The Night Watchman is shock resistant, the handle features comfortable grooves, and the trigger is positioned for intuitive operation. It runs on a 9V battery and comes with a monocular offering 8 times magnification along with a transparent parabolic dish to capture sound waves. This device costs around $60.
Trash bin now. For your home, I've brought this premium quality trash bin. You can dispose of waste easily without creating any mess and remove it effortlessly later. Our next gadget is this window cleaner. It comes with a soap tank to spray on the glass and can clean windows, tables and tiles efficiently. It's a very useful gadget for cleaning purposes. Tabletop fire pit. Need warmth in winter without the hassle of a big fireplace. Introducing the tabletop fire pit, the star of small spaces. Made of stylish, heat-resistant concrete, it not only provides warmth but also adds a classy touch to your indoor setup. Small apartments, no problem. This fire pit fits anywhere. It's smokeless and odorless, giving you warmth without the mess. Just add a bit of isopropyl alcohol or bioethanol fuel and it burns for up to 60 minutes.
Let's start our list of ban items with the Flipper Zero, a handy tool for aspiring hackers. It comes with a radio module powered by the TICC101 chip, which can send and receive signals in the 300 to 928 MHz range. These frequencies are found pretty much everywhere. The Flipper Zero can lift barriers, open magnetic locks, duplicate access cards, and even control home devices with its infrared transmitter. The possibilities to expand its features are endless thanks to its open-source firmware. Want Bluetooth or NFC? Developers are already working on updates for these two thanks to its built-in LCD screen, 5-position joystick and long-lasting battery. This device can operate independently without needing to be connected to a computer or smartphone. You can get yourself one for $99.
Here's an amazing handheld steamer that makes your clothes wrinkle-free in no time. Just fill it with water, turn it on, and steam your clothes. Its powerful steam function ensures perfectly pressed outfits in just minutes. Lightweight and portable, it's great for travel too. For makeup enthusiasts, the Fano makeup mirror is a game changer. It comes with bright LED lights for perfect lighting and multiple magnification levels like 2x, 3x, and 10x. You can see every detail of your face clearly, ensuring a flawless makeup application. It's also 360 degrees rotatable and foldable, making it easy to carry. Meet this amazing smart mirror that's not just a mirror but your personal garment care expert. Just hang your clothes inside and in 10 minutes, they'll be steamed, deodorized and wrinkle-free like magic. Save time by prepping your clothes as you get ready, setting your day in superhero mode. Lint remover friends, the winter season has arrived and with it we take out our warm clothes. Over time these clothes tend to develop lint. To remove this, I have brought you this lint remover. Simply turn it on and use it like a shaver over your sweater. It collects all the lint, which you can easily remove later, making your sweater look brand new.
The innovative product from Spy Gadgets is the Phone Safe Summit. This gadget is designed to safeguard your conversations from being recorded by cell phones. It blocks the phone's microphone using ultrasonic interference that can't be filtered out. Using Summit is super easy. Turn it on and place the phones in the designated compartment. The system works with both single and multiple devices at the same time, providing reliable protection against all types of modern smartphones.
Automatic robot vacuum cleaner. Now for cleaning your home, I've brought this automatic robot vacuum cleaner. Just turn it on, place it on the floor and it will move around your home, cleaning every room. Equipped with sensors, it can clean under beds and sofas without hitting walls. It collects dust inside, which you can remove later. Once it's done, it automatically returns to its charging dock. Laptop desk friends, I've also brought this portable laptop desk for you. You can adjust its height according to your comfort. It comes with wheels, so you can move it around easily and work comfortably anywhere. This desk is super useful for laptop users. This product not only makes your home look good, but also helps reduce stress levels. When you place incense sticks in this designer burner, it creates an effect as if a river is flowing, which is very calming. It uses a special type of incense stick called a backflow incense stick, where the smoke flows downward instead of rising upward. It's visually stunning, and if you want, you can explore other designs of this burner as well.
The rabbler noise generator is designed to keep eavesdroppers from listening in on your phone conversations. It produces white noise that mimic human speech and simulates the background buzz of a crowded public space. This device is perfect for those important talks that need extra protection against recording or snooping. Just place the rabbler on the table and you can chat away without worrying about microphones and voice recorders picking up your conversation.
Let's talk about this storage bench, a stylish and multifunctional piece of furniture that combines seating with storage. The comfortable cushion is great for sitting, and the storage space underneath can hold clothes, books, or anything you need to organize. We have the smart wall heater for the chilly winters. This powerful 1500 watt heater warms up your room quickly and automatically adjusts the temperature. You can even connect it to your phone and control the temperature remotely. So guys, that's it for today's video.